Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Udemy affiliate program step by step clearly. To register for the Udemy affiliate program, begin by visiting the official Udemy website. Scroll to the bottom of the home page. Look for the link labeled affiliates and click on it. You will be directed to the Udemy affiliate program page. Here, review the details of the program, including commission rates and available resources. When you're ready, find the Join Us button. Click on the Join Us button to proceed to the application form. Create an account or log in if you already have a Udemy account. Fill in the necessary personal information in the application form. This includes your name, email address, and any other required details. Be prepared to provide information about your promotional methods. Udemy may ask how you plan to promote their courses and who your target audience is. After completing the application form, submit it for review. You will then receive a confirmation email acknowledging your application. Wait for Udemy to review your application. This process may take a few days. Once approved, you will receive another email with further instructions. Log in to your Udemy affiliate account using the credentials you created. Explore the dashboard to find links and banners you can use to promote courses. Copy the affiliate links for the courses you wish to promote. Share these links on your website, blog, or social media platforms. Monitor your performance through the analytics provided in your dashboard. Keep track of your earnings and the effectiveness of your promotional strategies. Remember to follow Udemy's guidelines to ensure compliance with their policies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.